In this video, we'll be working with MAVIC GP4 rim and Campagnolo Record a rear hub, the best material used all the way from the 60s to the 80s. Now we start with the lacing process. We put the spokes through the hub into every other hole in one direction. Then we start attaching the spokes to the holes in the rim. The first spoke goes to the hole that is left of the valve. Then you attach the spokes to every fourth hole. Now you start with the second round of the spokes and you put them in the remaining holes in the hub. Now you take the unattached spokes and move them under the first round of the spokes in the direction to the left and attach it in every other hole. Once you have one side of the wheel done, you have to have every other hole in the rim empty. Now you start with the other side of the hub and you start putting the spokes through every other hole in the hub, and you repeat the lacing process. Mark is showing us that he laced the wheel well because there are no spokes crossing where the spot for the valve is. We have moved to Mark's shop to do some more work on the wheel. It needs to be centered, so he put it in the holder, and with the centering tool, he'll either loosen or tighten the spokes. Now we are using a ruler to see if the wheel is centered and not skewed or tilted to any side. There is some extra space there between the rim and the ruler, however, so that means that the wheel needs some more aligning. The highlight of the video is this homemade tool that's made to even out bumps in the rim. We'll loosen the spokes in the spots where we want to work on the rim and where we want to attach the device. The device creates pressure points in the rim and it will fix any uneven spots. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you're interested in more.